Hey there, welcome to our channel Techies Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to know if someone is in another call on Messenger. Before guiding you through the steps, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified over the further uploads on this channel. So if you are watching or looking for this particular video, then please watch till the end to get all the solution for your problem. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open Messenger application and make sure to log in into your account, and simply you need to choose any conversation or the user you want to check if they are on another call on the Messenger or not. Simply once you tap on and open the conversation, then on the top of the screen you will find the call icon next to the video call icon. Simply you need to tap on it and try making the call. If on the screen it appears that they are on another call on Messenger, then simply we can know that they are on another call on Messenger. But if there is nothing shown and simply it is been dialing, we can make sure that they are on another call on the Messenger. So let's end of the call here. So now here we can see that they are not on another call. In this way we can easily check that they are on another call on the Messenger or not. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button and comment on the comment section if you have any queries. Thank you.